Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and good in their lives and routine. Today's video, I am really excited for today's video, guys. As the title, you already know that. And why I'm happy, because it's Jake Jamie. He's a really awesome person. And I really appreciate him. That how did he go? He's doing very awesome. He had a very lovely videos on Instagram and very lovely post pictures and really amazing person on its own self as well. You know what I mean to say about him. He's really amazing. Cosmetips, I haven't heard about it before and I don't know them. But because of Jake Jamie, I bought this box because I knew that he's gonna be good. So that's why I just for my appreciation, and I just wanna like give him courage. So that's why I bought this. Otherwise, I don't know Cosmetips. I don't have their subscription as well, monthly subscription. So no further talking. Let's open this because I'm dying to try open this because I haven't opened it yet. You guys can see it here. Look at this. There is a front box and it's Jake Jamie written down, Cosmetips. Oh my god. And the beauty box down there. So I'm gonna open it. Here is the box, and that's quite big and heavy box. Here it is, and here is you guys can see that book, a little book about Jake Jamie. If you don't know about him, so I'm gonna show you. Here he is. Look how cute he is. He's very cute. And normally he's just a bit of might be base he put on, but he don't really put on too much makeup, which is I really like about him. And here is the like he write down definitions or conversation or whatever you guys can say, that a note for his followers, for the company, their collab as well. And the next, with love from Jake Jamie, and there is his signature as well. And he show everything whatever he put in this book, in this box, like not book, in this box. I hope that you guys can see. So no further talking, let's start it. So here is the packaging. You guys can see it here. This is a very beautiful like button to seal it. I'm gonna open it. And another sealing with the tape, double sealing to cover the products. That is quite good. And I think all the products in this box are full size, which is I think very cheap. This box, like I bought this £89 because normally these are expensive. Like only 2 products if you buy Glam Glow. There is a Glam Glow. There is a Glam Glow or mask as well. If you buy only 2 stuff, so you complete your money to buy this. But I think roughly nearly £200 amount products here, and I paid only £89. So that is quite big. Clap, appreciation for that. You guys, look at this. This is whole box stuff. Don't fall down, please. Okay, let's start it. Start from I am looking Tatcha. Tatcha is a very high-end brand and very good brand as well. I love Tatcha's products, especially the Tatcha's primer. I really like this. There's spray as well, and he includes Tatcha Deep Cleans Clarifying Japanese Lipo Fruit Extract, and it's a full size, guys. This is 150 ml, 5.0 ounces. Can you believe it? In this box, where? Oh yeah. Let's open it and I'm gonna show you. Look at this, guys. This full product you guys will get in this bag, in this box. So don't miss it. It's a limited edition as well. That's why. Don't miss it. So the next product, which is I'm looking, it's a Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray, which is also very nice, and I love Revolution products, so this is also, I'm very happy with that. I don't have that one as well, so that's why. Okay, so now I have in my hand NYX Total Control Drop Primer Base Foundation, I think, and I don't have this as well, which is really good thing, guys. Which is I have. It's a primer base, so that I want to try this, how it's gonna work. Okay, so the next product I have in my hand, it's also from Revolution, and this is in packaging. Revolution Ultra Pro Glow. I think I have this, but I will make sure. But I love Revolution highlighters as well. They are really amazing. They are perfectly, beautifully, give you a very intense glow as well. They will give you subtle glow, or if you want to go a blinding glow, so they will give you as well. So that is why I love it. This palette is really amazing, really handy, and it's perfect for like your travel as well, travel bag. Next step I have in my hand, it's from Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession. I have this, I think. Yeah, I have this, and I never used this. So this one I will like put it in the giveaway, which is I will do next time. So this is for you guys. I already have this, so that's why. Otherwise, these Huda Beauty eyeshadows, they are amazing, not foundation. Sorry about that, guys. I'm very excited, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So next, I have in my hand Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. I am shook because I never tried this. I love Glam Glow Mask. I have the silver one, and I love that. It's really amazing. Even my sister-in-law, even my husband as well use Glam Glow Mask. So that is really amazing. So that is hydration 72 hours. Oh, let's open it so we'll see, because I didn't use it. Oh wow, that is also quite like full size. It's a 1.7 ounces 50 ml. So you know, guys, Glam Glow products are 40 to 50 pounds. You will get that. So that is really amazing, guys. Like, so much amazing stuff in this box. Okay, so next I have this Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask, Detoxify Plus Brightening. I heard a lot of, it's like a, you guys can say that viral mask at the moment on Instagram. I'll definitely do a review separately on this, and I will tell you that how it's gonna work, because I love purifying face mask plus detoxify and brighten. So who doesn't love that? I love it. And it's net weight 60 gram, like 2.1 ounces. That is also full product. Okay, so the last product but not least, I have this is, oh, it's a makeup brush cleanser. Who doesn't want makeup brush cleanser? Because if you use everyday makeup, so your brush will get dirty, so you will need it. So that is good stuff, guys. Well done, Jamie. I love everything in this product, in this box. You have done an amazing job. Your choice, your taste is really good, and I think all the stuff, everyone can use this, and you take care of your followers as well, whether they are light, medium, dark, whatever skin tone they have, they can use all the stuff. Thumbs up for that. So guys, that's all. I hope that you guys this unboxing Cosmetips Jake box unboxing. I love everything in this box, and I think you guys will also love it. And who doesn't want these all amazing stuff in their life? If you guys want it, so I will write down that link, and if they still have it, so you can go and get it before it's sold out. So yeah, that you guys like this video. If you guys like it, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. The more you share, the more people know about Jake Jamie as well. Subscribe to his channel as well. I will write down that link in the description box below, and his Instagram as well, which is you can also see that. But yeah, his channel link will be in the description box. If you like him, subscribe him because he's very cute. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.